Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve chapter 3rd, Geography, for class 7, long answer question 2. What are tectonic plates? Why do they cause tremors? The solution is a tectonic plate is a massive irregularly shaped slab of solid rocks, generally composed of both continental and oceanic lithosphere. Perhaps change. Tectonic plates are constantly shifting as they drift around on various or slowly flowing mentally layer below. This movement, non-stop movement, causes stress on the earth crust. As a result, they cause tremors. Now question second. How are features formed by rivers different from that formed by a river of glacier or ice? The main feature formed by a rivers include gorges, waterfall, meanders, ox bow, lakes, floods, plains and deltas. The river of ice or glacier forms deep U-shaped valley and moraines. The work of river includes both erosion and depositional activities, a large scale across its course. The valley formed is a V-shaped valley which is not very deep. The glacier which originates from high mountain areas causes deep erosional activity resulting in the formation of U-shaped valley which are steep and deep. Now question 4. Why do rivers form distributaries at mouth? When a river reaches a lake or the sea, the water slows down and loses the power to carry sediments. The sediment is dropped at the mouth. Some rivers drop so much sediments that waves and tides cannot carry it all away. As a result, it builds up in layers and forming a delta. For example, the Nile Delta. Now question 5th. Why is the delta so fertile? The delta is formed by depositing the sediments. These sediments near the mouth force the river to split into several distributaries. These layers contain tons of minerals. As a result, the region becomes fertile. Now question 6. Name the erosional and depositional features found in coastal areas. Explain how they are formed. In coastal areas, the main features formed due to the work of waves are cliffs, arches and beaches. The features are both erosional and depositional. The cliff is an important erosional feature which is formed by slowly waves striking against the rocks. The depositional action of waves results in forming beaches. Now, the next question, give the answer will be solved in the next videos. Have a nice day.